Ever wondered what it feels like to command the roads with unstoppable power? Dive into a world of adventure and discovery as we introduce the best budget dual-motor electric bikes. Please note that we compiled our picks to suit different preferences and tastes, so make sure to stay tuned till the end to discover the perfect electric bike for you. Also hit that like button and do subscribe for future updates. The BIGNIU BG 10 earns its spot as number 5 on our list with its impressive array of features designed to enhance your riding experience. Powered by powerful 2,000-watt dual brushless motors, this electric bike offers the flexibility of single and dual motor modes, allowing you to switch seamlessly between them to suit your needs. With a maximum torque of 78 Nm, the BG10 excels in climbing performance and boasts a top speed of over 32 miles per hour, ensuring swift and efficient commuting. Its removable built-in UL-certified 48-volt, 22.4 amp-hour battery provides a range of up to 35 miles with throttle or 43 miles with pedal assist, easily accommodating a day of adventures or regular commuting. The BG10's 20-foot X4 fat tires offer excellent traction on various terrains, while dual hydraulic disc brakes ensure superior stopping power, even in adverse weather conditions. Furthermore, its front and rear dual hydraulic shock absorbers reduce vibrations and bumps, providing a smoother and more comfortable ride. With features such as front and rear turn signals, adjustable side mirrors, a water bottle holder, and a USB charging port, the BG10 prioritizes safety and convenience, enhancing your overall riding experience. Ranked at number 4 on our list is the Wallke X3 Pro, an electric mountain bike that offers high performance and versatility. Boasting a high-performance all-wheel drive system with dual 1,000-watt brushless motors, 3,200-watt peak, the X3 Pro delivers impressive power and exceptional uphill capabilities, elevating the maximum speed to 34 to 35 miles per hour. Whether you're commuting or embarking on new adventures, this bike ensures exhilarating acceleration and steady power, keeping you ahead on the road. The X3 Pro is equipped with a 48-volt, 20-amp-hour large-capacity battery concealed within the frame, providing a total of 1056 watt-hours of power for extended range without the worry of running out of battery. The waterproof and removable battery features a protection switch, lock, allowing for easy removal and charging, while also addressing concerns of theft or exposure to the elements. Its folding design not only saves space, but also enhances portability and storage convenience. The X3 Pro's superior full suspension system, featuring a 26-inch lockable hydraulic suspension and sturdy aluminum hydraulic rear shock absorber, combined with 26 X4 fat tires and an oversized comfortable seat, ensures a smooth and stable ride on rough roads or uneven terrain. Additionally, the bike is equipped with 4-pistons hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power, instilling confidence and safety during your rides. With advanced features such as app control, GPS navigation, anti-theft functionality, and a full-color display screen for monitoring important data, the Wallke X3 Pro offers a smarter and more convenient riding experience. At number 3, the GOGOBEST GF700 stands out as a powerful and reliable electric bike designed for various riding adventures. Featuring a 1,000-watt powerful electric system with two 500-watt motors, front and rear, and a 48-volt 17.5 amp-hour removable battery equipped with a new generation BMS power-saving system, the GF700 offers impressive performance and efficiency. With a range of up to 43 miles in pedal assist mode, this bike is more than capable of powering your daily commute, mountain cruises, or leisurely trail rides. With a top speed of 31 miles per hour, it effortlessly tackles hills and rough terrain, ensuring a thrilling and enjoyable riding experience. Safety is paramount with the GOGOBEST electric bike, featuring a high-strength carbon steel fork and an aluminum alloy frame, combining lightweight design with sturdiness. The 26-foot by 4-inch fat tires with anti-slip capabilities ensure a firm grip, even on rainy days, while the 21-speed transmission system allows riders to choose the optimal speed for their journey. Front suspension fork and hydraulic brakes further enhance safety and comfort, effectively absorbing shocks and providing reliable braking force, especially on steep descents. With its combination of power, versatility, and safety features, the GOGOBEST GF700 proves to be a dependable companion for any riding adventure, whether it's exploring new trails, getting exercise, or commuting to work or errands. Number 2 on our list is the MOONCOOL MC3, a powerhouse of an electric bike designed to elevate your riding experience to new heights. Featuring an impressive 1,000-watt brushless motors that peaks at 1,500 watt, this bike reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour with ease. Boasting a robust 150 Nm of torque and equipped with 26-inch by 4-inch fat tires, the MC3 effortlessly conquers various terrains, including snow, sand, mountains, and city roads, providing an exceptional off-road and touring experience. The MC3 offers a dual battery drive configuration, with the option to purchase an additional battery separately. It comes with one 48-volt 15-amp-hour removable battery, ensuring a longer lifespan and providing adults with an extended riding range of up to 45 miles on a single charge. Moreover, the upgraded 54.6-volt charger ensures a speedy full charge in just 5 to 8 hours, keeping you on the road for longer. Whether you're tackling rough trails or cruising through the city, the MOONCOOL MC3 delivers unparalleled performance and reliability, making it an ideal choice for electric bike enthusiasts seeking adventure and excitement. Topping our list at number 1 is the Shengmilo S600 electric bike for adults, a powerhouse of innovation and performance. With its 2,000-watt dual powerful brushless motors, each boasting 1,000 watt, the S600 offers unparalleled speed and capability. Reaching a maximum speed of 31 miles per hour with adjustable speed settings, this bike delivers thrilling performance while maintaining control. The motor's impressive torque of 2 by 80 Nm and 40 degrees climbing capability ensure robust performance across various terrains, supported by an IP64 waterproof rating for durability. Powering the S600 is a 48-volt 17.5 amp-hour Samsung lithium battery, combining cutting-edge battery technology with high-performance Samsung cells. With a range of 25 to 30 miles on throttle mode and over 50 miles on pedal assist mode, this 840 watt-hour battery offers stability and safety. With over 1,000 charging cycles, maintaining 90% capacity after 8 months. The S600 boasts exceptional comfort and control with its double-shoulder front fork and D&M rear shock absorber, providing a smooth ride and improved handling on diverse terrains. Featuring top-notch components such as a Shimano 7-speed transmission system, 26-inch fat tires for superior grip, dual zoom disc brakes for enhanced safety, and a Yolan color display for easy monitoring of key metrics, the Shengmilo S600 sets the standard for excellence in electric biking, offering riders an unparalleled combination of power, performance, and reliability. So, which electric bike caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and updated prices. Also, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest electric bikes.